Hello, I am drawing the picture of hands. These are the nails and I am drawing fingers. How many of you like drawing? It is very easy. Hurry up, let's draw with me. Let's apply the nail paint. This is the brush. I'm drawing a flower. Here is the bottle of nail paint. Do you like applying nail paint? Yes, this is very interesting. This is another nail paint bottle. I'm drawing a heart. Let's add some colors to make it more beautiful. This is pink color. Pink color nail paints look very attractive. Green, green, blue, blue color, are you drawing with me? Hurry up, this is very easy. Green color, red, coloring the nail red, green, red, for fingers I'm using yellow. Green color, green, blue color, this is an orange color nail paint bottle. Red. Our drawing is complete. Do you like it?